Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical French pronunciation, as well as how to say it easily in English, this French phrase or French expression traditionally referring to a child who is terrifyingly candid by saying embarrassing things to parents and others. It literally means in French, terrible child. How do you go about pronouncing it for reference in France? In France, we would say it as enfant, silent T there, enfant, terrible. Enfant terrible is how we would say it in French, but in English it'd be fine to say it as enfant terrible, enfant terrible. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more useful phrases from French whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.